In the grand panorama of human archetypes, the challenger, explorer, and sage stand as the vanguards of truthfulness. With a steadfast gaze fixed on the horizon of veracity, they traverse the landscapes of society, their every step a testament to the unyielding pursuit of authenticity and fairness. Challengers move through the world with a fire in their hearts, activists and social entrepreneurs who dare to question the status quo and challenge societal norms. Their need to set free is not just about liberating ideas or innovations, but about unshackling the very essence of truth from the confines of complacency and injustice. They are the voice for the voiceless, the strength behind movements that seek to rectify imbalance and bring about equitable change. Explorers, in their quest for fairness, navigate the intricate mazes of the legal and justice systems. Judges and justice workers stand as the arbiters of fairness, their decisions guided by a profound commitment to equitable guidance. Investigators, with their meticulous attention to detail, embark on journeys to uncover truths that lie buried beneath layers of obfuscation, ensuring that no stone is left unturned in the quest for discovery and exploration. Sages, wielding the tools of knowledge and wisdom, illuminate the paths of understanding with the light of truth. Journalists, scientists, mathematicians, archaeologists, and astronomers dedicate their lives to the pursuit of knowledge that transcends the mundane. They seek not just to discover, but to disseminate truth, ensuring that their findings serve as beacons for future generations, guiding society towards a deeper understanding of our world and beyond. Yet the path of truthfulness may become riddled with obstacles. When under-evolved, the potential to become ensnared in the echo chambers of one's own convictions can lead to a narrowing of perspective, turning the noble pursuit of truth into a bastion of ego. The delicate balance of sharing truth without causing harm becomes a tightrope walk, where the risk of leaving others confused or vulnerable looms large. In its over-utilized form, truthfulness can morph into a blunt instrument, wielded without the finesse of tact or the warmth of empathy. The resultant uninvited opinions and overbearing assertions can stifle dialogue, creating rifts where bridges of understanding should have been built and diminishing the very essence of open, honest discourse. In their thriving state, however, the challenger, explorer, and sage realize the profound potential of truthfulness. With discernment and grace, they navigate the complex terrains of human interaction, their truths becoming keys that unlock new realms of understanding. Their respect for the vulnerability of openness fosters an environment where trust is the cornerstone, and their insights, shared with kindness and a vision for collective growth, resonate deeply, inspiring others to embark on their own journeys of discovery. The impact of these archetypes on society is both profound and far-reaching. They remind us that at the heart of progress lies the unshakable pillar of truth, and that the quest for fairness, honesty, and integrity is not just an individual endeavor, but a collective journey towards a more enlightened, just, and equitable world. As we navigate the complexities of our shared existence, the stories of the challenger, explorer, and sage serve as a clarion call to all who believe in the transformative power of truth. They challenge us to rise above our limitations, to seek out and uphold the truths that bind us together, and to forge a future where respect, understanding, and fairness are not just ideals, but the very foundation upon which our society stands.